guys, Aries here. It's Tuesday. I'm not going to art class. So yeah. Friday I have a date for the witch's ball. And since it's close to Halloween, I thought I would do some of the weirdest sounds in the world that you might hear at a haunted house. Ready? Here we go. Gonna eat you now. Oh my God! Her power level is over 9,000! Oh my God, no! That was my shirt. But there you go. I don't know if you're going to a haunted house, but those are some of the sounds I heard. I could not make a chain sound. I couldn't make the other sounds because I don't have the right equipment. So if you enjoyed this, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. If it's not good, I will delete it, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.